Howdy, folks. We're live at 11:23, battling for Dave's Afa Gamorrean guard. Ooh, there he is. I got 175 spots, jeez, that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. Copy there. Paste here. 175 of them. There they are. I'm going to roll the dice here in a second to figure out how many rounds we're going to go. Got to get at least a 5. We got an 8. We're good to go. Good luck, guys and gals. Michael, round 1. Beetlejuice. Mark. Michael. Steve in round 5. Ron, round 6. Mark, round 7. And our winner is Michael, in at number 68. Congrats, Mike. Here's the verification code and official results. MXOARS. Mixors. Michael, in at number 68, is the victor. Congrats, sir. We're done at 11:24 p.m. There you have it. Again, here's the official results. Congratulations. See you next time, guys. Thanks.